Welcome! In front of me I have Mibro Watch GS Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel, you should see a bunch of icons, but we need to swipe left on the screen to scroll to the next page. And here we have the power saving mode icon, the one that looks like the lightning bolt. And to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon, then tap on the power saving mode, or rather the button next to power saving mode, then tap on the check mark to confirm, and the power saving mode will be enabled. And that's how it looks like. You have access to the step meter, the battery, the hour, and the date, and that's about it. Rest of the features are disabled. And to exit the power saving mode, simply press and hold the upper button and keep holding it until you see the normal watch face like this. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.